Move mouse proportionally between different resolution and P displays. I have 3 displays, a 4K display flanked by 2 1080p displays. Physically, these monitors are roughly the same size. Furthermore, Windows 10 handles the P-scaling of the 4K monitor separately from the 1080p monitors just fine. So while it appears as such to Windows, the real layout is 3 monitors of equal size side by side. The problem is that the mouse keeps getting caught on the edges of display 2 and 3 when dragging from display 1. I would like the mouse to continue onto display 2 or 3 regardless of which part of the left or right edge of display 1 the mouse touches. This question has been asked before, for example here, and a common answer is to suggest that this behavior is intentional on the basis that mouse movement should reflect different size displays. Such an answer is not appropriate as it doesn't consider P and scaling.
Perhaps Little Big Mouse could help you out? It's an alpha application, but it seems to be focusing on the issue you're having. Be aware mouse move across screens. Allows accurate mouse screen crossover location within multi-monitors environment. It is typically useful when using a 4K monitor and a full HD side by side. GitHub, this URL. Download, releases, this URL.
There's new solution available in case anyone will find it useful. Cursor allows to customize mouse transition between all screens.
This URL has a feature that will mostly resolve this. It's very simplistic implementation. I have version 9.3, not sure when it was added. No, Display Fusion is not free. Display Fusion in GT, Settings in GT, Mouse Management in GT. Prevent mouse cursor from snagging on unaligned monitor edges.
So, I had the same problem. TLDR, due to lack of open source apps, Little Big Mouse didn't work. Display Fusion isn't free. I ended up writing a small application that does the job. Find it here, this URL. I have 2 monitors, one 4K and one fold, both of almost same physical dimensions. The mouse movement between the 2 screens was a pain, because the 1080p vertical resolution of the second screen I have placed it on the right, is half the 2160p vertical resolution of the 4K screen on the left. Since I didn't find any free application for this, I decided to write it on my own. It's a pretty simple tray application that uses a mouse hook for getting the global mouse position and mapping it when it moves from one screen to another based on the resolution of the screens. Ideally, I should have put the mouse hook in a different DLL, as suggested by Microsoft, but I wanted something quick and dirty and it works. And it works only for 2 screens. Maybe if this application finds use, I will release a newer version with enhancements. Hope it finds some use for people like me. It is not production level, but works fine for my case. Just putting it here if someone needs it. Smile.
If you want to support the channel,